This is a walk around video of a Suzuki Hayabusa 1300 first generation 2002 raw bike, unrestricted, with Yoshimura exhaust. You can check. Bike is working. Dhoom.